students, welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Professor Rakesh Purabia from Mathematics Department, and today we will discuss a new topic, that is logarithm. In general language we call it as log. Okay, so log start करने से पहले इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है वो अपने को पता होनी चाहिए. तो ये कंसेप्ट कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है वो हमको पता होना चाहिए. तो फर्स्ट we will start for any xy belongs to R. Where is R is set of real numbers. This is set of real numbers. And A belongs to R plus. R plus means रियल लाइन में से माइनस इनफाइनाइट से प्लस इनफाइनाइट. रियल लाइन में से माइनस इनफाइनाइट से लेके जीरो तक सब निकाल दो. पॉजिटिव पार्ट 1 to इनफाइनाइट तक का सब पार्ट में से आपको A कंसीडर करेंगे. तो द पावर ऑफ नंबर्स को जनरल फॉर्म हम लिख सकते हैं y is equal to a raised to x. y is equal to a raised to x, where a is known as base, this is known as base, this is known as index. Then this is exponential form. Okay, this one converted in terms of log like this. Y is equal to a raised to x. Any number is there, then x equal to log y at base a. A is greater than, where a is greater than 1. Now example of this, first one 2 power 3, it is 8. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, 2 power 2 into 2 into 2, 2 raised to 3 is 8. This process is reversible, so can I write in log form? How can I write this as a raised to x? Here a is equal to 2, x equal to 3, and y is equal to 8. So what it is? X. What is x? X is equal to a raised to x. X is equal to 3 log of a. What is a? A is 2. And what is y? Y it is this one. Same for this one. 5 raised to 2. It is 25. 5 into 5, 25. How can we write it as x? So again compare with this one. Y is equal to 25. So it is log of 25 at base 5. Answer is 5. X is our 5. So it is x equal to log a base. So here it is x is equal to it is 2. Sorry, it is 2. 2. It is 2. Same way for this one. What it is? Y it is 9, 8 is 81, and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to log of 81, log of 9 at base 81. This way you can write any of them. One more example. Say something 7 square. What you can write? 49. How you could write? Compare again this one. Y is equal to 49, a is equal to 7, x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 equal to log of a. A is 7 of 49. So you can go for this process is what? Reversible process. So if it given this one, you can write this one in terms of power. So power of numbers you can convert it into log. This is for simple conversion. Now one step ahead, types of log. We have two kinds of log. First one, it is common log. What it is? It is log to the base 10. So for example, log 10 at x. X is any real number. Log of x, you can write base 10 this way, or you can't write, then also it is common log. This one is known as common log. Log y, again you can say log of 7, etc. whatever. Same way, natural log to the base e, where value of e is 2.71 exponential. So you can write again this one, log of x at base e, log of 2 at base e, where x belongs to r, 2 is already in r. So now next it is note. These rules we have to know very well. First one, log of 1 at base a equal to 0. Log 1 is always 0. Log of a at base a is always 1. A belongs to r. A raised to log y at base a, it is nothing but y. These are the rules that you have to know. Okay, so these are this way. So first we will start with the log. Now we go for rules of log. Rules of log. Next topic is rules of log. Rules of log. First rule is product rule. Product of log. What it is? For x, y belongs to r, a belongs to r plus. This we need requirement. ये रिक्वायरमेंट हमको चाहिए. एक्स वाई कहाँ से ले रहे हैं? रियल लाइन में से ले रहे हैं. और ए कहाँ से ले रहे हैं? आर प्लस. नेगेटिव संख्याओं का लॉग नहीं मिलता है. ओके, दैट यू विल नो वेरी वेल. सो व्हाट इज रूल? लॉग ऑफ एक्स वाई इक्वल टू log of x plus log of here you can put a, so this will get 5. Example. Log of 15. How can you write this as? Log of 5 into 3 or 3 into 5. What you can write? Log of 5 plus log of, so what you can say? Log of 15. You can write this as log of 5 plus log of 3. At base nothing, right? So it is common log. You can write this way also. One more example. Log of 35. You can write 35, you can write 7 into 5 or 5 into 7. Depends. This becomes log of 7 plus log of. If it base nothing given means it is a base 10. So we can write this as log of 35. Okay, now we go for, this is what? Products of log. Second rule, it is quotient of log. Same requirement. What it is? Log of x by y at base a is written as log of a of x minus log of y at base a. This second. So example. Okay. So what you can write? Log of 3 by 4. What you can write? Log of 3 minus log of 4. That's it. Second one, log of 5 by 7. What you can write? Log of 5 minus log of 7. This way you go for many more examples. Okay. Third one is power of log. What it is? Log of x raised to f. Power comes forward. And log of x. This one. Example is first one, log of x cube. What it is? 3 outside, log of x. One example, log of 2 raised to 3. What it is? 3 outside, log of 2. One more example, log of 5 raised to x, or so power is outside, or you can say 7 raised to 3. So again it is 3 outside, log of 7. Again you go for log of 4 raised to x. Again x, log of 4. This. So these are the basic rules: product of log, quotient of log, and power of log. Now change of base of rule. Rule number 4, that is change of base rule. Clearly from here, change of base. Okay, so we have to change the base. So here it is log of y or log of x at base y. You can write this as log of x upon log of y at base a. A greater than a greater than y. Okay. Example, log of 7 of 5. What you can say? Log of 5 divided by log of 7. Same way. First example. Second example. Log of x and log of some variable like say it is 5. This has something, give it any number 7. This way also log of 7 divided by log of 5. So this way you can go for this is for change of base rule. This way, next time we will discuss more examples of log. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.